Come test drive the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, all-wheel drive, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass. Come see the car for yourself.